How many EV owners run out of charge? The number might surprise you. I saw this headline, but I was like, let's find out live on air. Let's try to guess.
I read it though.
Oh, well, this one was supposed to be a game.
There's another game coming up that I think you might really like.
Well, I like the games.
Okay, yeah.
So you already read this, and is it a whole number or is it a percentage of owners?
It's a percentage.
Percentage?
Yeah.
Fully run out. I mean, it hasn't happened to me. Hasn't happened to you. This is completely anecdotal. I'll say 15%.
15?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
It's 8%.
8. Okay. All right. That's not bad.
Yeah.
EV owners are doing better than I thought. According to a study by Escalent, 64% of EV owners polled have never come close to running out of charge, while 28% say they have come close. Only 8% of EV owners have run out of charge completely. Furthermore, the research noted that 73% of owners expect to charge their electric vehicles at home. While the data is encouraging for EV owners, it's also indicative that range fear may be largely unwarranted. Is everybody being honest? With these polls, who did you ask? What was the age group? What was the demographic? I have questions, of course. However, if you're doing the typical habit of charging at home, there's just very few situations that warrant the use of whatever range your vehicle has in and around town. You got to basically be road tripping, and if you're road tripping, then you have everything mapped out and planned out with your superchargers.
Yeah.
I was close on that cold day, but that would have only been if I was a complete maniac and decided to try to, and I don't know if everybody even remembers this story, but I had like a crazy flight path that day, an impossible task, -20, and I was like, I'm going to go downtown, uptown, out of town, and back type of thing.
And it was like the coldest day.
But I made the call really quickly when I saw what was happening to the range that, okay, one of those things is not going to happen. So that kept me from running out. But had I been extremely ambitious or maybe 10 years younger, I may have taken a crack at that.
Yeah.
I may have been part of the 8%. But yes, most people never run out. Most people won't.
I would imagine people wouldn't want to take the risk. I mean, it's their car running out of juice.
So here's the other thing. I do watch some of these range tests on YouTube, different EV channels, and the car will limp at the end. It'll just drive really slow as you try to make your way to a charger or something. So it kind of almost like a reserve in a gas-powered vehicle. They're not exactly dead when you thought they were going to be dead. So to really run out, you totally got to mismanage your stuff. I mean, I don't know what percentage of gas-powered vehicle owners have run out of gas. It's probably similar, 8%. It's probably maybe a little lower, but
yeah,
it is different owning an EV, though, to be fair. It's different. You do plan things a bit differently. It's a little bit less freewheeling, for sure.
I agree.
Yeah.